Welcome back to the channel. I'm not in the hall, landing and staircase. No, I'm back in what I euphemistically call bathroom because there was a lot of destruction. Basically, I took everything out because the plaster was shot, the ceiling was rubbish, and the floor's coming up and it's all going to get replaced. I tell you what, let's put the light on to improve things. Woohoo! Thank goodness for gravity, otherwise the photons would never escape. The lighting's going to get replaced as well. So what I'm doing in here is this is part 2 of the project. Today I'm going to rationalise those pipes, get them out of the way because they were, I think, under the hand basin. Yes, they were, and they don't need to be here. I've got a socket to put in, which I'm okay to do, that's legal. Radiator pipes are going to move over to there. Then I'm going to take the floor up anyway because I need to get to the pipes, and then it's sort of tidying up and getting the floor down. We'll get some walls on, we'll get some insulation in the ceiling, we'll put some plasterboard on the ceiling, and then we'll skim it all. Oh, and the door needs to turn to open the opposite way because it's going to be really awkward if it doesn't. So lots to do, so I better get on with it basically. Right, end of day. What have I achieved? Mess and noise. So drain the central heating system. That took ages because there's a lot of it. Managed to edit those pipes so that they don't stick out, which went well, although I had to be very, very careful because the last thing I want is a flood. So that's that. Managed to get, it's incidental, but socket boxes on the wall. Central heating pipes that were there are now extended around and into their new position. Radiator comes tomorrow, but I've left enough flex on these pipes so that I can, wherever the valves happen to sit, I can get to them, so that's not a problem. Light switch boxes on the wall. Those cables go to the light switch on the other side of this wall. So tomorrow I'll be getting the cabling in. The photons from this light are still struggling to get to the floor. Some of them have made it, not many. And I've ripped bits of floor up. Now all this mess under here, some of it's mine, namely the stuff down that crack and a bit of that from where I took the plaster off, but quite a lot of it isn't. And I cannot abide mess under floors. Don't like it when other people leave it, and I don't like to leave it myself. So tomorrow, before I put the floor down, all that'll get cleared up. So yeah, tomorrow I'll be pulling a cable through the wall to go to those sockets. It'll be a spur off a socket on the landing, or if it's on a ring main, I'll break the ring and bring it in here and then go back. Yeah, floor. Unfortunately, that little pipe in the corner comes from the basin and shower waste in the bathroom next door, and I can't move that in any way because it goes into a roof void that I don't have access to, so I'll just have to get boxed in. A brick to put back in there, a couple of bricks to, sorry I'm in the light, put back in there, and sundry bits and bobs to do. That stepped crack is from when the extension was built. I'll bung up the worst bits. I took the door off because we're going to have it hanging the other way. So the hinges were on that side, they'll be on that side, so I'll have to sort that out. And then. So anyway, thank you for watching, and let's catch up with it tomorrow.